how to make at least $100 a day as a beginner with this underestimated website. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how we can make at least $100 a day with this underestimated website with a super simple step. It's going to blow your mind that how easy this process could be, guys. And don't forget to stick to this video until the end of it because it's gonna blow your mind. But before diving into the video, guys, if you're new to this channel, if you still haven't subscribed, please do that right now. Subscribe to my channel, tap the notification bell, and if you like this video, please don't forget to tap the like button. It's gonna help me more than you think. Okay, without any further ado, I'm gonna show you some results and some proof that how we can make it possible. So let's get into it right now. So this website, guys, has more than 367 million visitors per month, and it's a massive traffic. So you don't have to worry about any kind of traffic that you need to drive to your website. You don't have to do any kind of stuff. You don't have to do any marketing. You don't have to have any experience and no investment, like very little investment. I'm gonna get into it right now. So 367 million visitors, and 60% of that traffic is from United States, which is huge, guys, and the rest is from Canada, United Kingdom, and the other countries. And this website is called Etsy.com. So Etsy.com is a website that people usually sell their handmade products such as jewelries, you know, crafted arts and this kind of stuff. So you can check it out yourself and you probably know what it is. So I'm just gonna go over some results that I personally seen myself. So just look at these results, guys. This person has literally made more than $140,000 by just selling very simple product, which is a digital product. It's a very good part, guys. It's a huge advantage that you're selling digital products because there's no headache involved for customer service, for shipping, for dispatching, for, you know, just name it, that how hard it would be if it was a physical product. It's a 100% digital product, and you just need to buy it for $4 and you download it. That's it. So if I pull up my calculator right here, you see that this person has made over 35,000 sales. So 35,000 sales times $4 is almost $140,000 by just selling coloring pages. So coloring pages are the ones that you can just fill out the pages with colors. I mean, the way you want. You just buy them like in black and white, and you fill out the color yourself. And it's really popular, guys. Believe it or not, we have coloring pages for adults, for kids. Then I'm going to show you how you can get them if you're not a graphic designer. You don't have to be a graphic designer or a tech savvy. That's super easy, guys. So it was just one example that I showed you that this person has made over $40,000. Just look at this. This person has sold over 23,000 sales and for $16. So it's a Canadian dollar, guys. It's almost $12 US dollars. But let's say that we multiply it right now. 23,000 sales times 16 equals to $368,000 by just selling a black and white pages. That's it. It's a coloring page, guys. If you check out the photos yourself, you see that it's just a simple coloring page, and people buy it and they fill it out the way they want. That easy, guys. Super easy. And most of these people haven't made them themselves. And they just, you know, got it from somewhere else, and they're selling it on Etsy. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is just going over here. I already signed in, so you just need to create an account, guys. It's super simple. And after you created a new account, you just hover on your account and click on Sell on Etsy. So if you click on Sell on Etsy, you see that there's very basic options that you need to very basic steps that you need to complete in order to be qualified as a seller. So for example, for shop language, we go for English, shop country United States, and United States is a currency. But guys, because we are selling digital products, so it doesn't really matter which country you choose. But if you remember, I showed you that 60% of the traffic come from United States. So before doing anything, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then change the country to United States. So it's usually your country, so it's automatically sets it on your country. So just change it to United States, and currency is United States is a US dollar. I put it for Canadian dollar, but don't forget to change the region to US dollar. So, and then you save it, and then you go to the sign up page, like in the registration page, you change the language to English, United States dollar, and which one of these best describes you. I mean, it doesn't really matter which one you can go for. Selling is my full-time job, and then you can save and continue. So here you need to just name your shop. So just put something very catchy, like very attractive to get more people towards your shop. So, but in this purpose, and for this tutorial, I'm just gonna go for my own name, and then I check availability, and then I save and continue. This is how I can do that. So this is where you stock your shop. So for example, you can add as many listings as you can. 10 or more would be great to start. So you can just upload your listings right here. If I add a listing, you see that you just can add so many photos here. You can add videos here. You can list your details, and so many other options here that you can just easily fill out. I'm not going to go over every single item for this tutorial, but just to let you know that you can go for photos, you can go for videos right over here, and listing the details, which is a very important part. So I just want to let you know that for the title, you just need to put in the keywords to help people to find you faster. Because for example, let's say you are selling coloring pages, and then you can hover over some of these people who are selling this kind of stuff, and then you can take inspiration from them. You can clone their page, and then you can implement it on your own. So for example, I'm going to show you this one. So coloring book pages, encouragement quotes, 20 different designs, adult coloring print from home. These are all keywords that this person has used in order to get more customers, because keywords are super important in order to drive traffic to yourself. So this is how keywords work. So just put in the keywords for the title, and then about this listing, who made it, you can say I did it. What is it? You just say that a finished product, and when did you make it? It doesn't really matter, so it's recently. And then the category, you can go for I don't know, you can go for adult coloring pages. If I coloring pages in coloring books, digital books, and then so many other stuff. So it doesn't really matter. Coloring books. Yeah, coloring books, I think it only accepts one category. Coloring books are the ones which are closer to what we are selling. So primary color, it doesn't really matter, guys. Just keep in mind that most of them are optional. Just leave them as they are, because it's not mandatory. It's just a digital product. As I said, it's a really good advantage that you're selling digital products, not physical one. They are not tangible, so don't worry about the other options. Just leave them as they are. So for renewal options, you can go for automatic. The type is digital, not physical. And then for the description, again, go back to your like the person that you've chosen for this purpose, that you want to take inspiration from in any category, and then you see that they have a description right here. Just copy the description, clone it for yourself, and then paste it in this section, which is for the description. Even the same as title, doesn't really matter, that you can like put in the keywords. The description is the same, everything is the same. So don't worry about like coming up with your own ideas and this kind of stuff. Just need to copy it, clone it, and then paste it here. That's it. And then for the tags, again, it's the same as like the color that you want to sell. Like it acts as a keyword, but very, very shorter, like coloring books, and then you put a comma, and then you say colorful, you put a comma, black and white, you put a comma again, and this is how it works. So you can easily go for the tags and materials, but they are optional, guys. Just leave them as it is. So the price is whatever it is, guys. If you just put a low price, it's better because you can sell it more and more and more. Like if you sell it for $4, guys, you see that, you know, you sell more rather than selling it for $20, for $30. And this is what I personally recommended, because as you can see that most of these guys are selling this stuff for you know, between $3 to $10. So don't go above that, be somewhere in between. And yeah, quantity, you're gonna go for one, but it's unlimited because it's a digital product, so it doesn't really matter that what the quantity is. We don't have SKU and anything, so digital files, and this is where you need to upload your files in order to give the accessibility to your customer in order to download the products. So, and there won't be any problem with that. You just need to upload the file and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. After you've done all of this, you go to how you get paid. So let me just fill it out quickly for the next step, and then I come back to show you. Okay, guys, I just fill out some information, and this is the sweet part that we are covering right now, the way you get paid. So guys, if you live in a country that kind of has some restrictions to get payments, such as PayPal and wire transfer, I'm going to introduce you with a platform called Payoneer. So Payoneer is a platform that you can receive global money. So from all around the world, you can receive money with no problem, and after you receive it in your Payoneer account, you can withdraw it to your bank account. So this platform works with so many countries, guys, but not with 100% all of them, but the majority of them. And after that, after you receive the payment in your Payoneer account, you can easily withdraw it to your bank account. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to sign into my account. This is how it looks. And then I'm gonna sign into my account. You see that there are so many currencies here that I can receive from someone, and then after that I can withdraw it to my bank account. So whether it's pound or US dollar, Canadian dollar, euro, Aussie dollar, you know what I mean? So it's all about this platform. So it's a very easy platform to use. Just go over it and then read the description that which countries they are working with, and after that you sign in to receive payments. This is how easy it is. So for this one, for tax purposes, you mention your individual or sole proprietorship, and then you go to country of residence. So for example, for this one, I live in Canada, and then I put my first name, last name, and the date of birth, everything I just mentioned it, and then after that I save and continue, and then after that I'm done. That's all you need to do, guys. Super simple. You just need to upload some photos and the description, title, price, and then you're set to go. It doesn't take more than 30 minutes to 1 hour of work. So it's super easy, guys. But right now I'm gonna be sharing with you that how you can get access to one of those collections like coloring pages and sell it as your own. So the only thing you need to do, guys, is going to the website called fiverr.com, and then here you search for coloring pages. So after you search for coloring pages, guys, you see that there are tons of people who sell coloring pages, and then you literally pay them $5 to $20 to get 200 to 300 coloring pages, and then you can sell them as your own product on Etsy. This is how it works, guys. So you see that, for example, this guy says that I will draw coloring book pages, coloring book for only $6. As I said, it's a Canadian one, so it's almost $5. I will make adult coloring pages or book for $5. And you see the other options as well. There's tons of results that pop up after I search this term, coloring pages. You can literally go for one of these guys and pay them $5 for one time only, and after that you upload it on your account on Etsy, and you can sell it over and over and over, and you can literally make hundreds of thousands of dollars with very, very simple steps, guys. And that's how you can do that. That's it, guys. You can just go for coloring pages or printable arts, which is another example. You see that, for example, this guy has sold more than 1,600 of his product, which is a printable art, and it's $6. So if you multiply 1,600 by $6, it's almost, let's just guess how much money it would be. So it's massive, guys. You can do the same thing. I just told you how we can get the resources and how we can upload it on Etsy. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to tap the like button. It's gonna help me more than you think, and drop a comment if you have any question. And if you're interested in learning affiliate marketing in a full aspect, I put a huge discount on my course, which you can find the link in my in the description below this video, guys. Go check it out, and if you have any question, let me know. Have a good day and take care.